again, learning these skills has put me in a situation where we can have that quality time at the home front.
Absolutely, man. But I think you might have scared some people when you mentioned that word, search engine optimization. Oh no, what is that? What is he talking about, right?
Wrong class.
Man, what do you think? Why do you think video being so powerful? YouTube not on the jury no more, or they're not on trial anymore. We know that YouTube can create some serious success for an entrepreneur. Why do you think people aren't shooting videos? Why do you think more people aren't taking advantage of video marketing in the work from home space?
Fear. If people understood that video is the most powerful form of marketing in the world, that's number one. So when you see something so powerful, what can keep a person, if you know that you can target any market, it's like shooting a free commercial. They don't charge you for it. You can index it into a search engine where it can be found. You can find a target market, but most people won't shoot video. It's because of fear. They're fearful of what people may think when they shoot the video. They may not say the right thing. And those things come from not, you got to learn some stuff. So only reason you're afraid because you don't know a certain thing. Anytime you're uncomfortable with something, you're going to have a little fear there. I get a little jitters when I get ready to shoot a video. But again, since I understand, I really know what I'm going to put out there in the marketplace, I just shoot it. And again, people got to understand, when you shoot video, you can always hit stop, re-record. You know what I'm saying? We can edit it. But again, that fear, it's that fear, man, that overwhelms people. And it's like, guys, if you understand, you can get past that fear. That's a normal thing. Once you learn something, you get comfortable with it, the fear will go away. You're still gonna have little jitters. But again, find something that you can become comfortable with, where you can really learn that thing, really learn it. And when you teach it, ILT, invest, learn, teach, you really get comfortable. And now people can see through video that you're coming from your heart. It's not like you're not selling. People understand video because it's people. I have people that watch my videos and feel like, I already know you, Keenith. They call me and say, hey, man, what can I join? I want to join your business. What are you in? It's like, I didn't give you the business and you want to join me. Why? Because through video, you're able to see my personality. You're able to see what, based on my lifestyle, me spending time with the family. I do videos. My wife, we go out. I'm a shooting video, so people get to know me. It's like a reality show that you shoot for yourself. So that's a big win. Video is key. Notice Facebook. If you go through a news feed now, it's all video. LinkedIn, when you go through LinkedIn, it's most video.
Right.
I saw that early on. And so if people grasp this video game, it could really be game over for you.